Welcome to another Odinani series. It is the Ways Igbo Ancestral Religion. Today, I want to discuss Christianity versus Odinana. Christianity versus Odinana. The facts and fictions. I want to separate some facts and fictions because many Igbo Christians who want to venture into Odinana are presently at loss if they're about making a mistake. They want to be sure that their switch from Christianity to Odinana will not be a typical case of jumping from frying pan into fire. This is understandable when you realize that Odinana has been given a bad name. People call it idolatry, paganism, demon worshipping, voodoo, witchcraft, sorcery. All manner of bad labels have been given to Odinana. Igbos, you say what? The English people, the whites, you say what? Giving a dog a bad name in order to do what? Hang it. Whenever you want to destroy anything, no matter how good that thing is, you start by giving those things, that particular thing, bad labels. So Odinana, over the years, over time, has been given bad labels. And there are so many trump-up stories or some other bad side of Odinana that they use to justify these bad labels. So some people, new converts into Odinana, try to rationalize the dangers and merits of Christianity versus the dangers and merits of Odinana. So I want to help you today. I want to help you because what we are trying to do is to intellectualize this struggle and leave you to make your own conclusion. Today I want to share with you 5 ways our ancestral religion is better than Christianity. This does not in any way make Odinana a superior religion. I do not think any religion is superior. Every religion has those it's best suited for. No religion is a superior religion. So when I say that Odinana is a superior religion, I'm saying for Igbos. If you are Asian, I will not advocate Odinana for you. Why? I'm following the maxim, the Igbo spiritual maxim or philosophy of Unkodonambane. So for we Igbos, Odinana is a far more better and superior religion than Christianity because it factors in our peculiarities as a people. So here are 5 ways Odinana is far better than Christianity for Igbos. Dalono, my viewers, thank you. This is a special announcement video. Just to inform you, my viewers, that on 25th November 2022, Imago, for those who do not know, is like a Thanksgiving service. It's not like, it's a Thanksgiving service for DBS. It's an opportunity for those who have benefited from the teachings, healing, divination, depending on the type of Bibia one is doing. It's an opportunity for those who have benefited from his agwo to come and show appreciation. 1. Christianity is authoritarian. Why Odinana is democratic? And you know, by nature, Igbos hate anything authoritarian. But I'm surprised why they... Well, it's true because of brainwashing, colonization. That's why they were able to adopt Christianity hook, line, and sinker. And they easily also embraced Christianity because of their democratic nature, their ability to open their arms and assimilate. Christianity claims that Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. And no one can come to the knowledge of the truth till they accept Jesus. What can be more authoritarian than this kind of claim? This teaching forecloses every other way to truth. You can never arrive truth through one particular medium. Spirituality is a destination that have different paths to it. Christianity is just one of the paths. So how then Christianity should be claiming that they are the only way, the truth, and the life, that you must accept Jesus if you must know the truth? Does it mean that before Jesus that truth does not exist? What of other cultures who do not know Jesus till date? That means they don't also know the truth. You see, this is an authoritarian claim. It's very despotic. However, Odinana believes that every man should find their own truth through their own personality. The Igbos do not believe that one should have a singular savior. They believe in the concept of she, that every man's savior, that's she, is different. So Odinana, through their teaching of she, believes that every man should work out his or her salvation, his salvation through his she. This teaching is liberating and democratic, while the teaching of one singular savior for all is suffocating and authoritarian. Number 2, Christianity forces you to accept European ancestors as universal avatars, adepts, and messiah. By forcing an Igbo man to accept Adam and Eve, creation story, Abraham and his descendants' achievement, and Jesus as the savior of the world. You see, this way you are forcing European ancestors on a people of a different race. It preaches race superiority. For you, Adam and Eve creation story is all about race superiority. Abraham and his descendants, all the achievements, all about race superiority. Jesus as the savior of the world, all these things have race superiority on the throne. So Christianity is advertently pushing a colonial mindset upon you as an Igbo person, making you believe that your own ancestors are worthless. That's the only reason you can turn back your own ancestors. See their name as evil. You prefer to adopt a European name instead of answering your ancestors' name. Why? Because you believe that this particular race are the saviors. This is a classic mental colonization. So juxtapose this with Odinana. Odinana does not force you to worship anyone's ancestors but your own. In Odinana, there is no universal ancestor. If I'm telling you to look into Odinana, to know your she, to know your Ndi she, I'm asking you to know your own she. I'm asking you to know your own ancestors. Why? I have a different ancestor from you. I cannot ask you to worship my own ancestors. This means Odinana encourages you to appreciate your own. It lifts your self-esteem, which is necessary for a healthy competition in this world of survival of the fittest. The inferiority complex ravaging Africa today is a result of this mental colonization through religion. Christianity as a number 3, Christianity as a religion is built on human sacrifice and unnecessary bloodshed. The Old Testament is a history or a compendium of bloodshed. It's unfortunate that most times we do not take cognizance of this fact. We gloss over it while reading it. All the unnecessary and avoidable bloodshed in the name of conquest, in the name of fighting for God or fighting for Jehovah. The New Testament and Christianity itself was built on bloodshed. Many who did not accept the new religion were hunted and killed. Some were branded witchcrafts, all to find a justifiable reason to eliminate them. Odinani, on the other hand, is a spiritual path that detests shedding of human blood. Did you hear that Igbo ancestors conquered any territory? Did you hear that Igbo ancestors evangelize? Even up to today, those who are into Odinani hardly evangelize. They don't believe in expanding any kingdom or national expansionism. All in the name of making you to accept their creator, their truth. their own version of truth. Number 4, Christianity is the religion of colonialism. I keep saying it. If you read, you will realize that the Europeans were trading with Africans as of 13th, 14th century. They didn't introduce Christianity to these Africans. But by the time they wanted to start their colonial expansionism into Africa, that's when they introduced Christianity. So if we rejected their adventurism and the plundering of Africa through colonization, is it not wise to also reject the chief instrument that was introduced for the non-violent plunder of Africa? Christianity is the chief instrument that was introduced for non-violent plunder of Africa. It's the highest mental colonization is Christianity. It's subtle. It takes time for you to decode the madness, how they have messed up your brain for you to believe that there is a certain heaven somewhere, that someone died 2,000 years ago for you to turn back on your own ways and demonize your own culture. Because you must demonize your own culture for you to fully embrace Christianity. Number 5, every truth about life, nature, or morality that is inherent in Christianity is also inherent in Odinana. I've said it. There is no path. There is no religion that has the monopoly of truth. Truth is available to everybody. Truth is available in every culture. There are good people in every culture and there are bad people in every culture. There are saviors in every culture. There are prophets, there are messiahs, there are healers in every culture. No culture can sustain itself without these people. Every culture that have existed till today was because they have healers, they have saviors, they have adepts, they have messiahs, they have prophets. So if both of them, minus their dogmas, can lead you to the portal that sets free, then why choose a path that is not indigenous to you? Is that not cultural disloyalty? If you examine the fact that the so-called Jesus followed his own cultural path, remember he said, I have not come to abolish the laws of my people, rather I came to complete it. So, why abolish your own? Why abolish your own? Why condemn your own? He never condemned his own culture. Rather, he pointed out things that they were not getting right. So why abandon your own? Why pull down your own? If there are things that we are not getting right, correct it. Don't abandon. Thank you.
If you love the video you just watched, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.